free.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all tips on how I take and edit my YouTube videos. So if you're interested in watching this video, kindly keep on watching. So first of all, if you want to have a YouTube channel, it's absolutely free. So many people have asked me how much I pay to post my videos on YouTube, and it's absolutely free. You just need to have a Gmail account. You create your account. I know we all know how to do that, and you can absolutely post your videos on YouTube for free. So I'm going to divide this video into 3 segments. The first is going to be filming setup stroke equipment that I use. The second part is going to be about the editing part, and the third part is going to be about miscellaneous other things that I do that are not even necessary that you can also do for your videos. So let's get started. So on my first point, when it comes to equipment and filming setup, I use my phone's camera for all the videos I take for YouTube, and the phone I'm using currently is a Samsung S9 Plus. You can start with whichever phone you have, because I started my channel with the HTC M9 Plus. With my HTC M9, the quality was not so great. I'm sure if you've seen my first video, you can relate to this. And so I can advise you to just start with whichever phone you have. As long as it has a camera, you are good to go. Second point, when it comes to audio, I use the phone's inbuilt microphone. I don't have any external microphones for my videos. And also, what else? Yeah, so all the audios is through my phone. I don't have any external microphone. When it comes to lighting, 99% of my videos I use natural light. That is, I just film in front of the window. Like right now, the window is just straight ahead from me, so I use natural lighting. And when I'm just feeling a little bit bougie, sometimes I use my vanity lights, like the Joanna Kilovia's wig install tutorial whatever video. I use some light. That is where the video it's more brighter. You can go and just check the video out, and you're going to see that there's more light to the video. So sometimes it's not even necessary I use the vanity light, sometimes I do not. So just use natural light. Your videos are going to be good. So that is all about my equipment and filming setup. I know it's just plain because that is all I do. Yeah. So on to my next point is and you can also use a tripod. I also bought a small mini tripod. I can't show it because it's what I'm using right now, just to hold the phone in place. And then I just put a mirror straight ahead of me so that I can be able to see, because I don't have the laptop monitor that people use. So I just put a mirror in front of me and the tripod and my phone, and sometimes I just peep in there to make sure I'm in frame. And yeah, that is basically it. So my second point is going to be the editing part, which is like the most. I know you have a lot of questions of how I edit, how I'm able to do this, how I'm able to do that. And the software I use is called Power Director. You can get it on Apple Store, on Play Store. It's free, but if you want to unlock other features of the app, you can pay 1,000 Kenyan shillings for 3 months. I was paying it before when I started YouTube because I was like hyped. I was like, oh, I'm a YouTuber. Let me pay this money. I want to look professional. But right now I don't even pay it. You can see the watermark down there. So it's just a choice. If you want to pay for it, well and good. If you don't have the money, you can just leave it alone. It's not a must, because I still use the app and it's very efficient, even though I haven't paid for the unlocked features. So the first thing that I do when I'm editing my videos, when I import, is it called importing? When I import my videos from the gallery to the Power Director app, the first thing that I do even before I trim or cut out the unwanted parts is I try and play with the brightness and contrast and add a little filters to the video so that it can be in the same unison color. I hope I'm making sense. So that is basically the first thing I do before I trim or whatever. I just try and change the contrast and brightness of the video. So when that is done, I now trim and cut out the unwanted parts of the video, because maybe it's a part of the video where I'm just like just chilling, not talking, or I'm just looking at something, or maybe I'm going through something. I just cut the unwanted parts, and those are my first two steps. My third step for when it comes to editing is I try and speed up or slow down parts that I want in the video. So this is just basic editing steps that I'm giving at the moment. So maybe it's a place where I'm like maybe doing makeup, I'm applying foundation, so the place where I'm like the application process is time, I try and speed it up because I'm doing the same repetitive thing and I don't want to stay there 3 minutes just showing me the same thing. So I try and speed up those parts, and places where I want you to see more and to see more details, maybe to read something, I can try and slow down the video for you. So that is basically what I mean by speeding up and slowing down the video. So when that is done, I do something called some special effects to the video. So this can be adding GIF gifs to the video, it can be overlaying a video on top of the other, it can be adding an image, all of that good stuff. So this is where I do all of that stuff. So maybe I want to add an image, I try and overlay it and all of that good stuff. This is the place where I do it. So maybe I want to add a GIF that is relating to what I'm talking about. I just go to the internet, YouTube, Twitter, whatever. There's so many places where you can download those videos or whatever, or memes. You just download from the internet and then you just come and overlay it on your primary video. Okay, so when it comes to the part where I like zoom in and zoom out, all this is in the Power Director. So that is where I'm able to do all of these special effects that you see on my videos. But if you want to unlock more features to get those more editing effects, you can pay for the Power Director, because right now the effects you're going to be having there are limited, like I said. So if you want to pay, well and good. If you don't want, you can still use whatever is provided for you on the application. So once I'm done with that, the next step is to add music. So places where I'm like talking and I want you to get what I'm saying, I just add I reduce the volume of the music that I've added, and where I'm not talking, maybe I've speed up the video, I try and increase the volume of the music from there. So that is a good editing thing that you can also add to your videos. You can just put low music when you're talking, so that just to make oh my god, just to make your videos more popping. Yeah, we're all about making our videos to pop out more. So when that is done, that is basically what I do, honestly. It's just just trying to work out with the effects that you have and trying to make your videos look more popping and all of that good stuff. When it comes to intros and outros, I already have a video on my channel, because I show you how I do my intros mainly. I usually use an app called Legend, and I'm going to leave the link down below. So if you're interested in that, you can definitely go and check that out. So when it comes to the extra stuff that I do on my videos, maybe adding a border on top of it, adding some what are they called, some stickers. I usually use an app called Vllo. I discovered it just a while ago and I've been loving the app. Majorly if you're into aesthetic, looking thingies, you're definitely going to love the application. Unfortunately, you just need a small bit of a video, because if you put the whole video, you're going to be required to pay for it, because anyway it has those in-app payments features, whatever, and I'm not about to spend money honestly on an application at the moment. So yeah, that is what I use, and you're going to see it. I'm going to show you an example of how I basically do it. So when it comes to thumbnails, I usually use an app called PixArt. There are gazillion and trillion videos on tutorials on how you can use PixArt to make your YouTube thumbnails. So I'm not going to go in depth into that, but you can definitely check out video. I'm going to link, I'm going to make the work easier for you and just link a video down below on how you can make your thumbnails, because anyway it's all about how your thumbnails look. That is how people are going to come and click and tap on that video like you did on mine. So yeah, so generally I hope this video was helpful, it was educative, and you learned a thing or two concerning editing or making your own videos using your phone. As I mentioned, I have been on YouTube for less than a year, and I've been constantly posting videos from January. And all I can advise you newbies or whoever is learning how to edit is just don't be so hard on yourself. I have learned through a lot of practice, a lot of watching tutorials. Just practice makes perfect. So just don't be hard on yourself, boo. So start with whatever you have. Also, if you have that phone which has a camera and you've been really wanting and dying to start your own channel, just kindly just do it. Just use your phone, just do it. Just start creating the content, and the rest will follow. If you want a camera, it will get you when you have already started. It's all about beginning. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me just stop this video right now before I start rambling on about so many things. So thank you so much. If you're new, kindly subscribe down below. Thank you. We are on the road to 300 subscribers, 300 amazing subscribers. So kindly do so by subscribing down below. Anyway, thank you so much. I love you all. Have a blessed week. Bye.
A few moments later.
Also, I just wanted to show you a comparison of my back and front camera. So this video right now I'm taking using my front camera, and you can see the quality is a little bit different with what the back camera brings. So I can highly suggest, if you're making your videos using your phone, use your back camera. Trust me. Okay, bye.